as soon as you register, you'll be pushed to the members area. Over here, you'll be able to start creating your first AI tutor for whatever topic you want. Let's click this button to start. On this page, you'll notice you have 100 credits to start using. And here you have the AI Tutor page. To get started, you press this button here. A list of 4 questions will come up. Your tutor's name, the topic or topics you teach, the goal for your students, and the increase your AI tutor's IQ. If you don't understand any of these, just press the question mark button and it will explain exactly what you need to do in this box. This is the name that the students will see before every message. So let's call this Daniel. That's the name of the tutor. What topics do you teach? You can select one topic, for example, the periodic table only. Now the goals for your students. I want my students to learn the entire periodic table and nothing else. Over here is the increase your AI tutor's IQ box. This you can paste in this box curriculums or specific information that you want your students to learn or to help them with. I'm going to leave this empty for now. Then once I finish this, I click create your periodic table tutor now. Once it's ready, you need to press this button. This button will open up a regular window which will let you start using this. This link that you're on right now will let you share it with anyone you want. This link right here can be shared with anyone. They do not need an account to use this bot right now. So you can provide this to your children in your class, to the students of any age without needing to sign up. And this is the page they will come to. You can also embed this chat into your own website. We'll talk about that later. For now, I'm going to close this. If you press this button, you'll be given an embed code to embed this chatbot onto your website. If you press this button, you'll delete this tutor. If you press this button, it will create a new tutor. To get started, let's press the play button and watch this in action. Hello, can we start learning? In a few seconds, the AI will produce a result. So as we asked it to be a periodic table teacher, so now of course we can start learning. Let's start with the basics. So as you can see, it's starting to explain the periodic table. Now it even creates a mini quiz. What is the name of group 1 in the periodic table? I actually don't know the answer, embarrassingly enough, but let's try. Correct. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Great job. Incorrect. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Keep trying. So as you can see, not only is this a tutor, but this tutor can create instant quizzes based on the topics you want to learn. Can we learn all the metals in the periodic table? So he says, yes, we definitely can learn about all the metals, but before that, let's brush up on our knowledge. And then he goes on to explain the basic metals. These are just some of the few basic metals, with various other metals being included in the periodic table. Now let's check your understanding. What is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Now, if the users read this properly, they'll easily find the right answer. But let's try aluminium. Correct. The most abundant metal is aluminium. If you get the answer wrong, it says incorrect. Now let's go on to a different topic and show you how you can create multiple different tutors for different lessons and different times of the year. So we're back in the Generate Members area. Now, in order to create a new tutor, you just press this plus button here. you'll notice that everything gets reset. Now let's try and make another tutor. This time, let's call it the English teacher, Nancy. What topics? English, writing. What are the goals for your students? To learn how to structure sentences. I don't want my students to be able to discuss anything other than structuring sentences. Now let's create that, and now you'll see we have two tutors in the list. Daniel, which was the periodic table tutor, and Nancy, which is the English writing tutor. When I press this button here, I'll be immediately taken to a page where automatically this will be Nancy, and it says say something to Nancy right here at the bottom. Let's write, hello, my name is Daniel. Now, if you noticed, I wrote it with a small d, not a capital D. Let's see what happens. So, Nancy is saying, welcome. Let's start by learning about sentence structure in English. First, let's focus on the building blocks of a sentence. Subject and predicates. To begin with, a sentence must have a subject, which is the noun or pronoun that performs the action of the sentence. So it's going in to explain all of the details. Which of the following is not a building block of a sentence in English? Now, can you test me? Can we talk about the periodic table? Now remember, Nancy is an English teacher. She's not a science teacher. Let's see what happens if the student tries to deviate and ask about something that's not relevant to the topic. Let's see if Nancy agrees or disagrees with the request. Also, this can be used to stop children from deviating and having fun with the bot and messing about during a tutoring session. We can limit the bot's instructions in order that they will only respond to things that are related. Great question. However, today we will be focusing on improving English writing skills, though, through sentence structure. So she ignores his request to talk about the periodic table, and she straight away goes on to teach the students how to create a strong sentence. So now that she's completely ignored the request to talk about the periodic table, she's giving an English writing lesson. And if you look at the structure, how she structured the lesson, she's explaining it in a very fun to read way. As you can see, the tutoring is interactive. One of the most powerful things about this app is that you can limit the number of topics that it lets your students talk to it about. So you can stop it from letting the user communicate about things that are not part of the curriculum. You can also paste an entire curriculum into this box here, and specifically what's supposed to be taught and the materials that need to be covered by you. By using this box here to limit the students' specific curriculum, this will become a personal tutor for your specific case, for your specific student. That's why this specific app is so powerful. I highly recommend you give it a go. It's a one-time payment right now. We're going to be moving to a monthly payment. The reason why we're doing a one-time payment is to give you a chance to try it. Each message sent to the tutor will cost 1 credit. Credits can be purchased on this page in the pricing. However, once it's a monthly price plan, we may do unlimited credits. So give it a go and then check it out, see if it works for you. Thank you for watching. This was generate.net, generait.net/tutor. We also have many other apps which you can find on the generate.net homepage: AI Tutor, AI for Teachers, AI Image Generator, AI Translate Unlimited Text, AI Art Generator, AI coloring book and logo generator. If we click on the AI for Teachers page, you'll find that we have a ton of teachers tools on this page. These are the list of apps. Thank you for watching. This was Generate, GENERAIT.net.